Ever searched something on Google and then suddenly Instagram starts showing you the exact same stuff? Yeah, that is not a coincidence. And it's honestly one of the most annoying things. What's happening is Instagram is basically tracking your activity from other apps and websites, then using that data to personalize what you see. But the good news, you can actually stop it in less than a minute. For this, we need to open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right. From there, hit the three lines in the top right corner to open Settings. Now tap on Accounts Center at the top. Once you're inside, go to Your Information and Permissions. Then tap on Your Activity of Meta Technologies. This is where things get interesting. Scroll down and tap on Manage Future Activity. You'll see two options here, but the one you care about is Disconnect Future Activity. This basically stops Instagram from using data sent by other apps and websites, like your Google searches. Tap on it, hit Continue, and then confirm by tapping Disconnect Future Activity again. And just like that, you've cut off that connection. Now, one more thing you might want to do if you want a clean slate is clear your previous activity. You'll find that option just above Manage Future Activity. If it's available for you, go ahead and clear it before or after disconnecting. It depends on your account. But either way, disconnecting future activity is the key step. After this, Instagram won't keep pulling in your outside activity to suggest content. So, no more I just searched this 5 minutes ago moments. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe because I'm dropping simple tips like this every day that actually make your phone smarter and your life easier.